It is an inspiring place. Just 7 kilometres from Sydney's CBD, Ballast Point Park has been locked in the heart of the community for over 20 years. The park is about to celebrate its first anniversary. Embedded into the landscape is the debris of history, a symbolic reminder of the oil refinery that once stood here. To illustrate their love of this public land, the community are locking their memories onto the north-facing embankment wall. Rachel Ward and Stuart Lewis were one of the first people to attach a padlock to the wall.
In March we got married, and I just kind of thought the idea that this was sort of our park, and having a padlock on the wall would sort of prompt us to think about that day every day that we walk past, and it would make this place even more special than it was already.
This stunning parkland almost didn't happen. Roger Parks was at the forefront of the rallies, weekly meetings and campaigns to secure the land from Caltex. He was chairman of a local community group that fought for almost 2 decades to ensure the land was left for the whole of Sydney to enjoy.
Caltex, who owned the place, came out with a plan, and they wanted to build up 248 units. They wanted to recreate Hong Kong, you know, or lower downtown Dallas on this peninsula here. And we thought, oh, stuff you know.
In Europe, this symbolic gesture has been causing problems for some cities. The Parisians have said enough to thousands of padlocks being placed on the Pont Ziart bridge in Paris by tourists. With only 10 padlocks currently at Ballast Point, there are presently no such concerns.
Even in the last couple of weeks there's been 2 more added, so people are starting to get, starting to notice it and starting to do it, so it's a good thing.
Hopefully these padlocks continue to enhance the landscape that was hard fought for. Melissa Wilkinson reporting from Ballast Point Park.